In today's video, I'm going to be creating a short acrylic nail set, so let's get started.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm starting off and I've prepped my nails. We are good to go. I'm going to be using the instant nail glue to apply my nail tips, and the nail tips that I've chosen to use for today's set are the Shorties nail tips. They are from my website glitterplanetuk.com, and as always I will list and link everything down below so you can pop down there to check everything out. These are short nail tips. Basically, if you are going to be trimming them all the way down, it's pointless applying extra long tips and just having all that waste, which is why we brought the Shorties. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply those to my nails using the instant nail glue. If you are new here, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below whether you are new, if you are sticking around and subscribing as well, because I would really love it and I'm sure everybody else will as well. If you are old and a returning subscriber, hey, how you doing? Thank you so much for coming back for another video. I really appreciate you showing up and enjoying my content. Okay, so now I've got my nail tips applied. I am going to take some of the length off because I know some of you guys don't want to wear long nails, or literally can't since you have jobs that just don't allow it, or you just can't physically function with long nails, which is totally fine. Not everybody can. Even if I've had my nails off for a long time, it takes me a long time to get back into the swing of things with a long set. So I kind of try and grow them gradually out and just don't shorten them at each infill or design change, which is a good way of kind of like growing into your length if you want to have long nails. Of course, if your job allows it, because not everywhere does. Anyway, I'm using the Glitter Planet tip cutters and I'm just trimming the length about halfway. I do think nail tips cut all the way like down just past the free edge look cute as well, but I still wanted to have just a little bit of length, and I do get that this is probably still too long for some of you guys, but please appreciate it that I am doing a short nail video. I do plan on doing lots more actually. I'm going to start planning some. I did film this before Christmas or during Christmas, I can't remember. But yeah, I'm going to be planning some more short nail videos because a lot of you have requested that. I thought it might be fun as well to recreate some of my long nail designs into short nail designs, just to show you how I would kind of transfer that over to a short set, because obviously it is possible, but sometimes it's hard to envision that or see how it would kind of, you know, end up looking. So yeah, if you think that'd be a good idea, let me know down below and I will definitely note it down and put it in the books of one to do. Okay, so I've trimmed down my nail tips. I'm coming in with the Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic and I'm just applying a clear base. I do this because one, it gives me a great base to work on for my design that I'm going to be applying, and two, and most importantly, it actually gives the best adhesion to the natural nail. Whereas if you were going to come in with, say, glitter or a glitter acrylic, you're not kind of sure what is going to be touching the nail. If you come in with a chunky glitter and you've got like a big piece of that chunky glitter laying flat against the nail and then the acrylic, you're not going to have the best kind of adhesion, which is why applying a clear base has many benefits and is always a definite yes in my books. I literally always apply a clear base. Okay, so I've moved into creating the set. Now I did want to keep this simple and just chilled, girly and pink and frosty all at the same time. I know, how can it even be possible? We have actually had snow today, and I think we're expecting some tomorrow as well. So this is actually quite fitting for the weather that we have going on at the minute. So yeah, I'm adding some snowflakes later on in the design, of course. Whenever you decide to watch this video, if it isn't snowing where you are, leave the snowflakes out or keep them on because they are pretty. It's completely up to you. I'm coming in with the milkshake, which is a pre-mixed glitter acrylic. It's this pink one and it's absolutely gorgeous. And I think it looked so pretty, just blended down over that soft white. I love how it turned out. I'm moving on to the middle finger and I'm coming in with that soft white, and I'm just going to apply it at the cuticle first, allow that product to level and flow, and then I'm going to use my brush and pat it into position, tucking it in at that cuticle area, and then once I'm happy with that, I'm going to pull down that product and spread it out over the nail. Basically, you're not going to apply too much pressure, you don't want to be dragging that product off the nail, you're simply just evening it out, smoothing it down. Think of it as kind of like icing a cake. Like, you don't want to drag it all off, you don't want to, remove it off the nail. We're just gently smoothing it down, patting it with gentle pressure. So I've applied my soft white, just a thin layer of it, because I'm coming in with this white ice loose glitter, which it's one of my absolute favorites, honestly. Look how stunning it is. You guys went mad when we brought this out for the first time. It sold out so quick and we just restocked it again. So yeah, get your hands on it if you want it. Excuse me, because it goes so quick, and you can see why. It's absolutely stunning. It's really gorgeous and pretty sugared as well. I was trying to show you how it looked. It was so difficult because it just wouldn't focus, or like the camera was too sharp so you couldn't see the like glitteriness. But yeah, it's pretty. So I'm going to follow the same process on this nail with the soft white at the free edge and then the milkshake glitter acrylic. I have placed my bead differently on this one, you will notice. I wanted the soft white a little bit more opaque, so I've applied it right at the free edge and I'm going to feather it up the nail slightly. That way I've just got a better control of the product and it's not kind of thinning out at the free edge area. But yeah, I wanted to say Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you all had a lovely time over Christmas. It seemed to literally fly by so fast and the time was just gone. And we're back at work already. But yeah, I hope you guys had a lovely time. I hope you got lots of goodies and just ate good food and had just good times with friends and family. Also, I don't know if I wished you Happy New Year. I felt like I did, but I'm going to say it again. I wish you all a Happy New Year, a happy and healthy 2022, and I hope all your goals and all of your dreams come true. You've got this. Let's get to it. Like, literally, you've got this. Okay. I've applied my milkshake, making sure that it's all nice and neat and as I want it. The more control you have over your product whilst you are applying it, and the better you apply it, the easier the process is going to be, the less time consuming, the less filing you're going to have to do, and just the more kind of elegant and structured your nails are going to look as well. So definitely work on that if it's something you feel like you need to work on, obviously. But yeah, just a little bit of advice there. Apply it as you try and apply it as you want it. If like, pretend you don't have a nail file. Like, pretend you cannot file these nails once you have done, and kind of work like that. And hopefully it will help you keep yourself applying that product correctly. Because I know when I first started doing nails, I would apply tons and tons. I thought the more the better. I was like, hell yeah, give me more. I want more glitter, I want more clear acrylic, I want these thick as hell because I don't want these to snap or break or come off. But obviously, like I've said in like many videos, that isn't the case. So yeah, just a little tip there. Hopefully it helps somebody out. Okay, moving on to my thumb, coming in with Beyonce. So this is an ultra fine holographic, delicious premix glitter acrylic, and it is stunning. We have a few colours in this same style, and they are so pretty. I'll try and remember to link the video for the swatches. I'm sure I've done a swatch video for these, and they are absolutely stunning, especially under kind of like phone light, you know, like just lighting in general, sunlight. Obviously when the light's not on it, it's kind of just a glitter, but when the sunlight or harsh light gets on it, it is like the hollow comes to life. It's so pretty, so pretty. Yeah, just applying a thin layer of that, and then we're going to move on and add our snowflakes. So these are the new mini gold snowflakes that we have available on the website. They are so pretty and I freaking love them. So just because we are doing a short set of acrylic nails doesn't mean that we can't add whatever we want. We just have to be mindful of how we add it and how thick we apply the layers, because you know, just because you have short nails doesn't mean they have to be like boring or have nothing on them. So just take care of your layers, make sure they are thin. Obviously you want to use quality products to make sure that you're still getting the opacity of the colour and the true colour coming through no matter how thin you use it, which again is why I love our products. We make sure that they are completely packed with pigment. You can literally dab that acrylic powder onto the tip of your brush and swipe it like paint, and you're still going to get that colour payoff. You don't have to use a lot of product with our system. You can just use a small amount and it is still going to come through for you, and you're going to have banging nails and they're going to look bomb. So yes, here's to short nails and doing more tutorials with short nails, creating them for you guys. Anyway, I'm applying the gold snowflakes just with a wash of crystal clear acrylic. I like to use acrylic. You could use glue, which there probably wouldn't really be an issue doing that. First off, it's already open, so it's just easier for me to get a small bead of clear, just a wet bead, apply it to the nail and then push in the gold snowflake. And because they are small and super thin, they really aren't a problem. They're not sticking up and they really aren't an issue. But yeah, this is how my nails are looking. Really pretty, so cute. And in person, I don't know if you're feeling kind of the vibe of the set, but in person they were just so sparkly and pretty and just really, I don't even know what the word is, but on camera I feel like it's not giving it the same vibe. Like, let me know what you think. Are you feeling this set? Are you feeling kind of the products together, these colours, the combination? Let me know how you feel about them down below in the description box, because I'd be super interested to see how it's kind of coming across on the video, because in person they were so pretty. I'm coming in with Nailmate Crystal Clear and I'm just capping the nails, making sure that everything is fully capped and protected, so that when we come to file we aren't going to remove any of that glitter or file into any of the nail art that we have applied. At this point you do also want to build your structure and take care of that as well. I just wanted to hop on again really quick because you might have missed it at the beginning of the video. I just wanted to say, guys, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up and join me for weekly nail videos, nail tutorials. I will be doing so many videos this year. I am planning lots of content for you guys. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell. Like, turning on that bell is very important. So yeah, definitely do it. It only takes a second and I would really appreciate it. Okay, so my acrylic has set. It's hard. I've tapped it and you can hear that kind of hollow tapping sound. If you don't kind of hear a tapping sound, then your nails are not set. You need to give them a little minute. And yeah, we're just going to come in with the 180 grit nail files and I'm going to file the nails into shape. Of course, I'm gonna have to use a little magic. Ta-da! I did go ahead and wash my hands as well, removed all of that dust, and then we're going to come in with the Nailmate Super Gloss. So this is a no wipe gel top coat. It is super shiny and super glossy. I'm going to apply that to all of my nails, and then I'm going to come in with a little sugared Snowflake, which again, such a pretty addition. In person it looked way better than I think that it's coming off on camera. Like I said, let me know down below what you think. I'm just adding some opal crystals and some little metal balls. I forgot what they're called. Micro beads. God damn. Just at the corner of that nail, just to bring that kind of soft white over to the thumb, basically. Yeah, I'm going to continue applying my super gloss. I'm going to cure that in the light for the full 60 seconds, and then we're going to come in. I'm going to use the dotting tool set and start mapping out my snowflake. It's a super easy way of doing snowflakes. You just kind of add 3 dots up and down, and then drag through with your brush to create kind of the points, come between in the middle, and then add some more dots. Honestly, if you break it down like that, it's the easiest way to do snowflakes. I do have a video on it, like with white on red, so you can see it easier. But yeah, absolutely love that method. Coming in with white eyes before curing the gel and then dusting off, and that is it. Like I said, such a pretty girly wintry set without being kind of, you know, crazy. I hope you like it. I love how it turned out. It is so pretty, super sparkly in person, and yeah, I'm just overall super happy with this short acrylic nail set, which is perfect for Christmas or winter, like winter birthday nails. They could be bomb. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to give this video God, my words would not come out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and as always, please remember, you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.